Today we're diving into the world of precision and versatility with the Dremel 3000-125th Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit, a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman. This comprehensive kit includes the powerful Dremel 3000 corded rotary tool, 1 innovative attachment, and 25 high-quality accessories, all neatly organized in a durable plastic storage case. Equipped with a high-performance 1.2 amp motor, this tool delivers maximum power and performance across 6 variable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, allowing for precise control and unmatched versatility. The Dremel 3000 features an advanced airflow system that prevents heat buildup, ensuring smoother, cooler, and quieter operation, perfect for extended use. Whether you're routing, metal cutting, wood carving, polishing, grinding, or engraving, the 25 versatile accessories included in this kit make it ideal for a wide range of crafting and DIY projects. Plus, the Dremel A550 Shield rotary tool attachment enhances safety by redirecting sparks, providing increased comfort and protection from debris during cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing tasks. So, if you're looking to elevate your crafting game, the Dremel 3000-125th is your go-to solution for precision and performance.